Please, how much is white corn?
Yellow corn.
Yes. What about guinea corn? Please, is that the last price? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So guys, today I'm making pap. I'm going to be doing date pap. Guys, believe me, this pap is very nutritious. And you know what stop it for me is that you don't need to put any artificial sweetener. It's sweet, it's natural. So I'm going to be doing this pap today, but I'm going to the market now to get all the ingredients I'll be using, and I would like to take you guys along so that you know the cost implication of the pap, in case you want to, because I know a lot of people here who DM'd me sometimes back that they want to, you know, start doing pap business. So in this video I'm going to take you to the market. Let's check the price of corn, guinea corn, millet, and the date itself. So guys, let's go to the market. So when we come back, we are going to start making the pap immediately. So guys, come with me. The price. Please, how much is white corn?
10.
Yes.
3,000. Tomato zara.
Yellow corn, uncle.
Yellow corn.
Yes.
3,000.
What about guinea corn? Eh? Is everything 3,000?
Yeah, 3,000.
And millet too?
This only something like that.
Yes, sir. Please, is that the last price? We dey use do pap for sale. Eh?
How many plates you buy?
If I go buy now, one first.
9.
So now the last price be that. Okay, well done. How much is? Sorry. You say how much?
3,000.
Millet inko? Eh? 3,000. Is that the last price? Corn don't cost though. Customer, how much is one Dirica updates? Eh? 1.5. So guys, in today's video I'll be making date pap. Guys, have you tried yellow corn, millet and red guinea corn with date pap before? Guys, if you have not tried it, you need to try it. This pap tastes really good. So guys, let's go into the video right away. I'll be using corn, millet, red guinea corn, and of course, the master of this recipe, dates. The first thing we are going to do is to make sure that there is no stone and other unwanted particles in the corn, millet, and guinea corn. So do good to select the corn, the millet, and guinea corn away from stone and other things that you don't want in the pap. So guys, I'll go ahead to wash the corn, the millet, and the guinea corn and add the 3 grains together in the same bucket.
Okay guys, I'll go ahead to add more water on it and set it aside for 3 days. Please note that I change the water every day. So guys, this is 3 days later. As you can see, the corn, millet and kidney corn is very soft now. So I'll take it to the mill to grind it. And here I also have the dates, which has been soaked and deseeded. I am also going to grind the dates separately. Now I am sieving the pap. After grinding it, I am trying to separate the pap away from the chaff. So I started by putting water in the big bowl and scooping some grinded grains in the sieve cloth and trying to squeeze it in the water. So after sieving the pap, I left it to settle overnight so that the pap can separate from the water, just as you can see in the video. Can you see the pap under the water? Yes, this is what we need. Now I am going to put the pap in the cheesecloth to further drain the water. I don't need the water. You can leave it like this, but I don't need the water. So I am going to put it in the cheesecloth to further drain the water. Now this is after 3 hours. I am going to go ahead to mix the pap and the dates together. This is what it should look like after mixing it together. Can you see that goodness? Guys, let me know if you are going to try this recipe. So guys, go ahead to store it in your container and keep it in the fridge or freezer for as long as you want it to. So now, I'm going to show you how to prepare this. If you are a pro in making pap, just prepare it the normal way. Mix it with room temperature water and put hot water on it. But for me, I will just prepare it on fire. I prefer to prepare it this way.